Let's talk about COVID-19, and I mentioned to you that the numbers are still skyrocketing, so you need to take every precaution to ensure you're covered, including your loved ones as well. Within the last 24 hours, 460 people tested positive, 20 of them died. 2,244 is the current death toll. These are people we are talking about. Over 200 of them are currently in ICU, so it's all up to you and I to take care of our loved ones and ourselves as well. As that is happening, Kenya Airways has announced the suspension of all passenger flights between Kenya and the United Kingdom effective on Friday. The announcement bringing into effect the government's decision to stop the flights after Britain placed Kenya on its COVID-19 red list. The country continues to record a worrying positivity rate with 20 COVID-19 related deaths reported today, as Stephen Leto reports.
The Kenya Airways announcement by way of a statement cites the government decision to stop all passenger flights between Kenya and the United Kingdom, with a promise to review the decision in 4 weeks. Kenya Airways directing those with tickets to change bookings for later travel or request a refund, which will be granted without any penalties. The airline effecting a government decision to suspend flights and place restrictions on British nationals seeking entry into the country after the United Kingdom placed Kenya on COVID-19 red list and declared that travellers from Kenya who had transited through Kenya will not be allowed into Britain because of the COVID-19 situation in Kenya, which is experiencing a third wave. And that third wave is yet to slow down if the numbers from the last 24 hours are anything to go by. 460 people have tested positive of COVID-19 from a sample size of 2,753, recording a positivity rate of 16.7%. In the same period, the Ministry of Health has reported 20 COVID-19 related deaths, adding that 10 of those occurred in the last 1 month, while 9 deaths was a result of late reporting. 200 patients are currently in ICU, while 130 are on oxygen support. A group of lawmakers allied to the Deputy President engaged police in cat-and-mouse games in Lavington shortly before they held a media briefing.
And we just want to tell the IG that nobody should take advantage of this pandemic to convert our democracy into a police state. And we must condemn, because we are representatives of the people.
The lawmakers demanding establishment of measures to caution small businesses that had been hit hard by the closure of the 5 disease-infected counties of Nairobi, Kiambu, Machakos, Kajiado and Nakuru.
We propose an incentive tax relief for banks and other financial institutions that will waive such interest to affected businesses in their 2020 and 2021 tax returns.
Katika vitengo vya usalama viweze kutolewa shilingi bilioni 50 ili kwamba jamii milioni 4 ziwe zinapata shilingi 3,500 kila mwezi, waweze kujimudu kimaisha.
Natoka wapi Masai?
Natoka hapa kwa ndugu yangu.
Nani?
Kwa ndugu yangu.
Si Masai ya kafi imeisha? So?
Nimekosea.
Police in Nakuru arrested 226 people on Sunday night as they enforced the COVID-19 containment measures. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.